Engaging in one of the classics is like having a conversation with a friend who happens to be one of the wisest, most influential thinkers of our civilization. This is known as the Great Conversation. At Loveland Classical Schools, we are committed to engaging with our local Northern Colorado community in the Great Conversation. Our shared inheritance of the wisdom from our intellectual tradition of the Western canon, of the works that have been passed down from generation to generation as the very best for over 2 millennia, is present at our annual LCS Classical Symposium, held on Saturday, January 25th at our Academy campus. The keynote speaker is Dr. Alyssa Grelnick on the relationship of literature and music, with a lecture performance of Aaron Copland's musical settings to Emily Dickinson's 12 poems. Members of the LCS faculty will be sharing in a great conversation with attendees in seminars and presentations on thinkers such as Frederick Douglass, Immanuel Kant, Plutarch, Euclid, David Thoreau, and Martin Luther King, on topics ranging from the philosophy of the good life, the American dream, the nature of mind and experience, geometric proofs, and civil disobedience, and more. I'm Ian Stout, Loveland Classical's Executive Director. At Loveland Classical Schools, instead of approaching education as a factory floor that prepares students and drills students for standardized testing, at LCS you will see our students engaged in conversation with our friends, like Homer, Socrates, Aristotle, Dostoevsky, Shakespeare, with John Locke, Hamilton, Jefferson, and Lincoln, with Euclid, Archimedes, Newton, and Mendeleev. Engaging in the Great Conversation is foundational to our classical educational model. Come join us for our 3rd annual LCS Loveland Classical Symposium, free and open to the greater Loveland community. Thank you.